from their homes, their land, their occupation, their religion, their unique knowledge systems, and ultimately their identity as a tribe. For the numerous tribals who have been shamed or displaced from their culture, like many other tribes in India, the Rathwas have been burdened with the meanings assigned to them. Their culture is portrayed as that of uncivilized and lazy drunkards because of practices like
सूरत हीरा घसवा के कपड़ा बनाववा के कड़ियाનું કામ કરવા એવી રીતે જાય તો પત્ની એકલી
Conversion of the Rathwas seems based on the idea that they lack an organized religion.
સારી રીતે વારું બજાર જવા હોય તે કપડાં જોવે પેન્ટ બુશર્ટ.
The arrival of increasing numbers of outsiders and the possession of forest land has drastically altered the landscape for the Rathwas.
50% એમાંથી જમીનો આદિવાસીઓ બિન આદિવાસીઓ એમાં ખાણો ફેક્ટરીઓ કારખાના સસ્તી કિંમતે ખરીદી નાખી રહ્યા છે.